Welcome back, traders. McD Master here. We're Saturday, November 22nd, 2025. A quick little update on my Bitcoin short as well as the Wyckoff cycle. So I'm not sure if you caught that last video, but yeah, exact match. And if you didn't see it, well, here's the chart here again. I was showing how the distribution phase of the Wyckoff cycle was a perfect match with the Bitcoin chart. So yes, I've been shorting, and boy oh boy, I've done really well. I closed my shorts on Friday. I'm about to show you why, but here's the cycle itself. Hit the space bar to pause the video, hit it again to unpause it, read this at your own convenience. But like I said, we jumped the creek, we broke the ice, we made our first leg down, and here's an update on what I believe is going to happen. But first, yes, closed my short on Friday. I've done exceptionally well here with my Bitcoin short. The reason I closed, well, as you can see over here on the left, area of support, and the most important factor was the. To be honest with you, it wasn't even a shooting star when I thought to myself, okay, that's it. We've hit the bottom here. Unusual volume on that day. Even before the hammer had closed, I should say the candlestick closed on the day. In fact, I noticed it at 5:30 in the morning before I had access to my platform, because SBIT, you got to wait for the stock market to open up to jump in or jump out. So essentially I said, okay, I'm going to jump out. I jumped out. The day it closed on the day with a nice beautiful hammer with a long wick, exceptionally high volume, which is one of the things I was trying to educate traders on TradingView, what to look for reversals. So I jumped out. I've done really well. I think I'm up over 62% just in the last month alone here. And as I said, I started shorting this initially was October 10th when I bought BITI, and then I switched over to SBIT for the next leg down. And all right, so yeah, I jumped out. What am I waiting for now? Well, I'm waiting for things to pick back up here. Here's someone who's made a Bitcoin chart back in 2019, 2020, and he used the Wyckoff cycle to kind of show you where it was at. And yeah, the guy nailed it. What can I say? So what have we done? We jumped the creek, we broke the ice, bounced back up on low volume. That's where you can see on my chart I bought SBIT twice on that next leg down. We've made it down to here, and oddly enough, if you look on the chart, that was a hammer on the day with, again, high volume. This is important, guys. Very, very important. High volume hammer on a downward trend at an area of support. Boom, she bounces. So now what we're waiting here for this to go back up to this area here, the break the ice area, which is on the real Bitcoin chart, would be where the red line is. So that's what I'm hoping. She bounces back up to this area here, and then I'll short it again. And we'll play it to where? Well, I've been looking, analyzing the charts, using different methods to calculate where I might see a bottom. And depending which method I use, I'm finding anywhere from 36,500 all the way down to 26,000. And oddly enough, in TradingView, this is one of the targets I'd given. I said on long term, I'm kind of looking at around 24,000, 26,000. So I would not be surprised one bit if we go there. Anyways, just want to let you know, I jumped out of my shorts. I've done really well. I'm waiting for this bounce. I'll get back into it and play it again for the next ride down. Hope you're enjoying the ride also. Why not hit the subscribe button and join me along for the ride? Ciao for now. Have a great weekend.